In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we present lecture number 54, which covers verse 131 of Surah Al-Baqarah. This verse addressed the essence of true Islam. Up to this point, we've covered the first 130 verses of Surah Al-Baqarah in concise, meaningful lectures. If you're new to the channel and want to understand the Qur'an deeply, I highly recommend listening to the 15 introductory lectures and all lectures from Surah Al-Fatiha to this point, so you can maintain the proper sequence and understanding of the Qur'an. Let us now begin with verse 131.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. إذ قال له ربه أسلم قال أسلمت لرب العالمين.
Such was Abraham, that when his Lord said to him, "Submit," he said, "I have submitted to the Lord of the universe." The words of the verse.
إذ قال له ربه أسلم.
Such was Abraham, that when his Lord said to him, "Submit."
Muslim signifies he who bows in obedience to God, who acknowledges God alone as his sovereign, Lord and Master, and the only object of worship, devotion and service, who unreservedly surrenders himself to God and undertakes to live his life in accordance with the guidance that has come down from him. Islam is the appellation which characterizes the above mentioned belief and outlook, which constitutes the core and kernel of the religion of all the prophets who have appeared from time to time among different peoples and in different countries since the very beginning of human life. Alhamdulillah, we have completed lecture number 54, covering verses 131 of Surah Al-Baqarah, including its translation and interpretation. Inshallah, in the next lecture, we will begin with verse 132. May Allah grant us the ability to understand the Qur'an and act upon its teachings, keep seeking and spreading the truth. See you in the next session, inshallah, and Allah Hafiz.